in the truck, juice by the magazine. Let us stay the night, hit it twice, here's a tangerine. Looking for an art dealer, buying shit that hold value. Water in my plastic alkaline, I gotta keep it classy. Gotta keep the watch factory, bitch, you know what time it is. I like a girl low key, but still know how to handle biz. Love, I'm not a babysitter, I be on some bullshit. Building, house, money, I'm having shit. Looking at my watch, it's like looking at a few birds. Amazed how I knocked this little bitch with a few words. No sir, can't fuck with it, man, you niggas different. Got a little bitch in Seattle, she like to cook me dinner. Fingerprint is safe out the way, with surveillance in it. $1 million policy on that in case a nigga slips. Off top, take your time with it, make that shit count. Fell in love with the challenge, never did it for the clout. What's happening? Numbers.